Hi, Staar speaking here. Today I'm just going to quickly run through a really cool piece of software which I found, Longtail Pro. It's a really well priced and cheap keyword tool. Now when I say it's cheap and it's low price, doesn't mean they've cut the features out, because they haven't. I definitely recommend this software, and I've been using it all weekend, and I just want to run through some of the features which I found and why it stands out from other keyword tools which I've been using. Now the interesting thing is I actually do subscribe to some quite expensive online services which cost a lot of money, per month, like 70, 80, sometimes $100 per month. I own Market Samurai, which is a keyword tool which costs about 3 to 4 times as much as Longtail Pro. However, I always end up using the Google keyword tool, which is kind of crazy really, and I've been asking myself, why was I doing that? And the real reason is because a lot of these tools are very complex to use and take a lot of time to kind of set up and go through all the settings, and a lot of hassle. And sometimes you just need a quick result. So today I'm just going to show you a really quick result and show you exactly how I'm using this tool and how it differs from some of the other keyword tools which you may have used. So first of all, I'm just going to add a new campaign. This one's going to be called Generator. I'm thinking about building an affiliate review site all about backup generators. The country which I'm going to be searching in is America, and then I'm going to just create campaign. The keyword is going to be generator. I'm going to add that. You can add as many keywords as you want, and it will bring back results for lots and lots of different keywords. So I could have generator, generators, backup generator, UPS, as in uninterrupted power supply, all sorts of things which are related to generator I could put in there. I'm just going to use phrase match. And then we've got different options down here. These are purely optional. You don't have to use these options. We can check to see which domain names are available. Okay, so we can say, okay, we want to check exactmatchdomainnames.com, and we want to check hyphenated domain names. Okay, so and it will go out and it will check to see if .com and .net domain names are available for all the keywords which it brings back. You can do this for all the other extensions as well. We've got more options down here. You can check to see how much search data the local searches bring back or global searches. I'm only interested in keywords which bring back a minimum of 1,000 searches per month, because I'm not interested in keywords that only get 3 or 4 searches per month. I want 1,000 searches per month. And we can do average cost per click, number of keywords, and we can also only bring back keywords which have domain names available. So I'm just going to click on generate keywords. And now what this is actually going to do is it's going to bring back keywords, and it's actually using the Google keyword tool as it's it's getting its data from the Google keyword tool, so it's good data, it's good information, we know it's accurate. And we can see here, I haven't paused the video or anything, this is completely 100% in real time, and it's already bringing back the search results. And if we look at the bottom here, we can see it's done 206 of 599 results. So it's going to start going through all of these keywords and bringing back the average cost per click for AdSense. It's also bringing back the local searches, the global searches, and the advertiser competition. How many people are actually paying to advertise in Google AdSense? And what it's actually also doing now is it's going out and it's checking to see which domain names are available for every single one of these keywords. Now this does, from my experience, this does take a little bit of time. This can take, for each keyword, I've only put one keyword in today, it can take anything from 30 seconds to 1 to 2 minutes, but you can come up with some incredible domain names. Okay, so it's actually, I haven't paused the video, it's done that in real time. You saw how long that took. So if we actually go through some of the data now, we can actually see we've got a domain name here called portable-diesel-generator.com. That would be a really good domain name. And there's lots and lots of other domain names. I'm just going to pause the video and just see if I can find any really good domain names, see what it's found. Okay, so I've just been scrolling through just to see which domain names are available, and this is interesting. This dual fuel generator pays $1.12 per click on AdSense, gets around 1,300 searches a month, there's a huge amount of competition for advertising, which is actually a good thing because it means there's lots of people paying to advertise. And look, dualfuelgenerator.com is available, and dualfuelgenerator.com with dashes is available as well. So you can see here very, very quickly I've actually found a keyword here with a domain name available. So if you're building affiliate review sites, this is a fantastic tool to use. It does a whole bunch of other things, this as well. So you know, if we if we click on one of these keywords, it actually comes back with, let me just cancel that. It comes back with a huge amount of other information. So it will actually search the top 10 results in Google, okay, and it will actually tell you how hard it would be to get onto the front page of Google. So Dual Fuel Generator, if we look at this as an example, it's telling us how many backlinks the top 10 results have, the domain authority, the Moz rank, the page rank, and the site age. So we can see here that a lot of these websites on the front page of Google for this keyword, the site age, you know, so we've got, you know, very, very heavy duty authority websites here because, you know, 14 years old, 17 years old. We've got yeah, domain authority 187. Yeah, we've got like an Amazon here. You know, quite high page rank websites as well. So this would be a very difficult website to actually get on the page 1 of Google. But it tells you all this information for every single keyword. So you can actually go through and find keywords which have, you know, low competition. So that can be really useful. The other thing it does is rank checker. So if you click on there, you can put your website in and keywords, and it will tell you where your website is ranking for all your different keywords as well. So a really, really cool tool. I mean, the other thing which I like about it as well is we can actually go back now and say, has domain name available? And if we do a search again now, it's actually now deleted all the keywords which don't have domain names available. So you can actually use this as a domain name finding tool. So we can just go in and type in a load of keywords to do with our niche, and then it will just bring back all the keywords which have domain names available. So if we wanted to, we can actually go back now and say we're only interested in .com domain names, and we don't want hyphenated domain names. Okay, and then boom, it's brought back all the exact match domain names to do with backup generators. So yeah, 20 kilowatt generator.com, 30 amp generator.com. You can see here very quickly we found some absolutely incredible domain names. Now I think personally, from a personal standpoint, just for the domain name finding capabilities, this tool, you should grab it whilst you can. It's on sale at the moment. It's a ridiculous price. I can't even remember how much it is, but I think it's a half price sale at the moment. So go and click on the link below this video and grab this incredible tool. You'll find it a really useful, just a useful tool for finding keywords, but what I think it really glows at is finding domain names. Hope you enjoyed this video. Click on the link below this video and that will take you through to the page where you can grab Longtail Pro.